Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online class of English Literature for grade 7. Here is your teacher Mrs. Sanaullah. Today we are going to do word power exercises on page number 187 and 195 for the lesson number 3 of unit 4. The topic of the lesson is we are all one. Now these are the 5 words. By using these 5 words, what will we do? I will tell you. You will answer the following question using one of the following words. Here, our question is, which word goes with caterpillars that turn into butterflies? Of course, the answer will be larvae. Larve. Page number 187. This is our first question from the exercise of word power. Number 2. Which word goes with mix something with water until it seems to disappear? And the answer is dissolve. Dissolve. Number 3. Which word goes with something you grow in a garden? Which word goes with something you grow in a garden? Of course, the answer will be herb. 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 And number 4. Which word goes with a shiny surface? And here your answer will be lacquer. 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 And number 5, which word goes with something that might tell you about the future? And here's the answer is omen. O-M-E-N. Omen. Now we are going to do 2 exercises on page number 195. These 2 exercises are again linked with the same 5 keywords. First of all, you will complete each sentence below using one of the words in the box. You will take one word from this collection and then you will complete the sentence. Helen found larvae underneath the log. Here you will write the word larvae. Larve. Helen found larvae underneath the log. Number 2. Pedro had trouble swallowing the pill, so he decided to dissolve it in a glass of fruit juice. Pedro had trouble swallowing the pill, so he decided to dissolve it in a glass of fruit juice. The answer will be dissolve. Number 3. Some people think finding a 4-leaf clover is a good omen. Some people think finding a 4-leaf clover is a good omen. And number 4. After painting the table, Ali coated it with lacquer. After painting the table, Ali coated it with lacquer. Lacquer. Lacquer is the answer for number 4. And the last one of this exercise. Manoj thought the chopped fresh herb gave the salad a delicious flavor. And here the answer is herb. Herb. Now we are going to do another exercise on the same page. Here, my dear students, you will circle the word that best completes each sentence. Number 6. Elena added a picture of a dried herb to her book of plants. Elena added a picture of a dried herb to her book of plants. Number 7. The potter covered the vase with a layer of lacquer. The potter covered the vase with a layer of lacquer. You will circle lacquer. Number 8. The beetles brought bits of food to the larvae in their nest. Larvae is the answer for number 8. You please circle the correct answer, larvae. Number 9. The sugar will dissolve quickly in the hot water. The sugar will dissolve quickly in the hot water. And the last one on page number 195. Some people believe that a rainbow is an omen of good luck. Some people believe that a rainbow is an omen of good luck. So far we have done our 3 exercises about word power, and that is actually your homework. You will revise all the exercises related to word power. Thank you very much for attending the online class. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.